Hi guys. Oh, okay. I'm always complaining about my camera and it's doing it again. Okay. Oh, that's probably why. No. Oh, I plugged in the wrong thing. What did I plug in? No! Crap is my shirt. Okay, sorry. But it's not my trip out anymore. Forgive me for this shaky video. Hopefully the editing will help it fix. But I'm gonna try to do knuckle cracking, or any kind of cracking I can do. I don't think I've cracked my knuckles all day, so let's see what we can get. Hands. Oh, not too much today. Oh, not too much. A little bit. A little bit. It's weird. Oh, I don't know if you heard that little bit of me. Head back. Ooh. Twos. I don't want to show my feet, but hopefully the camera. Just wanna. Oh, there's your toe. The other way. The other way. Okay. Left foot. Another one. Oh, not too much on the left foot. It's weird how my knuckles didn't. Oh, where's? There it is. Oh, finally. Oh, there's my toe again. You heard that? You didn't hear it, but it cracked again. Okay. I don't know why my hands don't crack too much right now. It's weird. When they crack, they're super loud. Like when they really crack like that. I haven't cracked all day, so maybe because I just took a shower. So that's probably why. Their muscles are already warm, so, and it's warm in this bathroom right now. So, anywho, will be that. Sorry if it sucked. Kind of. Oh my god, is that a time? Okay. I will see you guys later. Bye.